If you want to get the best results with your content, combining AI and human editing is the perfect way to do it. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how this powerful combo can save time and drastically improve your content quality. First, let's talk about why combining AI with human editing works so well. AI is great at speeding up repetitive tasks and giving you a solid foundation, but it often lacks the creative touch and nuance that a human editor brings. The key is to use AI for efficiency, and then let a human editor refine it for a more polished, engaging result. Start by using AI software to handle the heavy lifting. Whether it's transcribing audio, generating rough drafts, or making initial edits, AI can cut down the amount of time you spend on these tasks. It's especially helpful when you need to go through a lot of content quickly. With AI's speed and accuracy, you can create a base that's almost ready to go. However, don't rely solely on AI. This is where human editing becomes essential. After the AI has done its part, you need someone to go in and add the human touch. Human editors are great at fixing mistakes AI might miss, like context issues, tone adjustments, or cutting out repetitive phrases. They can also make sure the content flows naturally, keeping your audience engaged. Now, what's the best way to combine the two? First, use AI to create a rough draft or rough cut of your content. This is where AI shines, cutting through long processes and helping you get started quickly. Then, hand it off to a human editor to clean up the rough parts, polish the tone, and make sure the pacing feels right. For example, if you're editing a video, let AI do things like syncing the audio and video or even generating captions. Once that's done, let the human editor tweak things like the flow of the narrative, adding transitions, adjusting the pacing, and refining the overall message. This combination is like having the best of both worlds, speed and creativity. I've tested some of the most popular software out there for this task, and I'm recommending one that I believe stands out. You can access an exclusive free trial of this software through the link in the description below, and I highly suggest you follow along if you want to see how combining AI with human editing can work for you. To wrap up, the key takeaway here is that AI and human editing complement each other perfectly. Use AI to handle repetitive tasks and get a solid foundation, then let human editors take it from there to add that personal touch and ensure your content is polished and engaging. Remember, I've provided an exclusive free trial of the software we've used in this video. Don't forget to grab it through the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.